Guys, once again, I am beyond pissed off because something just happened, and if you read the title of this video, if you saw the thumbnails, you pretty much know what it is. A supplier stole me $200, right? And I'm pissed off. Now, I should be more precise. It is not specific. It's not a supplier from which I buy products. It's my gift card supplier. So the person that sold me the gift cards, right? I bought some gift cards on Raise.com for a website on which I source pretty often, but for which there's not a lot of gift cards that are usually available, right? So what I do is I know the sales cycle of this website, like of this supplier, like perfectly. I know exactly when I need to source, like, so this allows me to pretty much buy my gift cards in advance. So I bought whenever, like basically whenever I have alerts for that specific website, for that specific website on Raise.com. So whenever a gift card comes on and it's more than 3%, I just purchase it, right? So I knew that there was going to be some promotion in the coming week. So I think I spent around $500 on gift cards in advance for that specific website. Now, I trust Raise.com. I've never had any problems. I think I've never had any problems because when it came time to buy my inventory on the website, the promotions were going on the website at that moment. I tried the gift cards and I saw that a lot of the gift cards that I purchased did not have any money on them. Now, it was on the second round, so it was the second time that I purchased. Like, I already used the gift card once, but it was just for one purchase and the purchase was not big enough. It was maybe like, let's say it was $250, so I had $250 left on multiple gift cards, right? So what happened is that a little bit of time passed, and like 1 week later, 10 days later, I tried to place another purchase on that website. And I look at the gift card, and I mean, I tried to put the gift card, and it's telling me that there's no balance left on the gift card. So on Raise.com, there's something, let me show you. So you can usually, like what you do usually is when you use a gift card, you just, I'm going to show you on my phone. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. So you just press on the three little dots right there and you can edit the balance right there. Let me try to, it's, okay, so I guess it's going to do it. It's not going to do it, guys. It's not going to do it. So basically what you do is, let me put the focus back. What you do basically is that you edit the balance on your gift card, so you pretty much know how much you have left on that gift card. And you need to be irreproachable. Like, you need to do your work. You need to be a professional, and you need, whenever you use a gift card, you just need to put it right. So what I thought at first is that I just did not update the balance on my gift card, so that it was pretty much my fault. No, I'm not saying it's not my fault, but I was thinking that I was basically not trusting myself. I said, maybe it's me. Maybe I just did not report the balance. It's my fault. Let me purchase another gift card because there was another gift card available at that time. I was lucky. And I just used that gift card that was available. Right? So I believe there's a teachable moment here because I noticed today, I was just thinking about it and it was bothering me for a few days. I said, no, like, I'm pretty sure that something is wrong here because I'm pretty sure that I did not use those gift cards and that every time I place an order, I update the balance on my gift cards, right? And so there's a few lessons here and I wanted to share them with you. And the first one is that, first of all, you need to be irreproachable with your work. So you need to be irreproachable. You need to, this is why in my previous videos, when I talked about the mistakes people make on Amazon, I said never cut corners. And I was talking to one of you guys on the Discord, talking about getting ungated and submitting invoice. And I said, whether it's with this business or anything else you do in life, never cut corners. And I had great foundation set up in my life because I'm an athlete. And when I used to play basketball, when we were warming up, we used to run around the court, right? Our coach made us run around the court. And my dad, when I was playing, and my dad was always there for my practice, and he always told me at that, my dad is still here, by the way, but I'm talking like in the past. So he used to always tell me, never cut corners when you're warming up. Whether you are warming up, whether you are doing like whatever you are doing when you're training, never cut corners, because the little corners that you're gonna cut, like people were not going all the way around the court, right? They were cutting corners and like. So they were shaving off some distance when they were running around the court, right? So they were cheating basically. And my dad told me, never do that, never cheat, never cut corners, because this is going to help you in the long run. All the little distance that they shave off when they are running, all the distance that they shave off, you are going to run 10% more than them every single warm up. Right? So whether you are doing suicide, whether you are running around the court, never cheat, never cut corners. These 10% that you run more, even if it's just 5%, even if it's just 1%, this 1% more that you do than other people do not do, it's gonna pay off at the end because it's gonna compound. And one of the things that made me really good at basketball when I was at that level, I played in college, I played after that, but I'm talking about that specifically. This is when I was a kid, when I was a teenager, when I was playing in in high school basically, is that I was the best conditioned. And this helped me a lot. Like my conditioning was immaculate. Nobody could run with me, basically, at that moment. Right now, my conditioning is not as great as it was when I was in high school, but well, I digress. So, just by doing that little bit of work in the practice, I could trust myself with the conditioning when it was game day, right? And it's pretty much the same thing here. You should not cut corner. Always remember to do the little stuff. Do that 1% more because it's going to help you someday. And if you start to cut corners, you are not going to be able to trust yourself, and it's pretty much the same story. So the mistake here is that I was irreproachable with my work, but I did not trust myself. And I should have trusted myself knowing that something was wrong way before, because no, like $200 is a lot of money. No, it's not going to make me go bankrupt, but like $200 of lost money that I could have spent in inventory is a lot. So I should have trusted myself at that time and knew that, because this was like probably 6 weeks ago that I noticed that something was wrong and that I didn't do nothing. And it's really today, like right there, I was just sourcing and like I said, no, something is wrong, let me check it right now. And I should have trusted myself at that time and check my gift card, check if something was wrong. I went through all my orders on that specific supplier's website, and I noticed that some of the gift cards, I've never used them, and they are showing that there's no money on it, basically. So you should really trust myself, and it's my fault for not trusting myself, because if I did not trust myself, it means that I was not professional enough. I was not irreproachable with my work, because if I had been more precise, if I had been more strict with myself, I would have trusted myself, and I would have known that I was right and that I did not purchase the gift card and that I did not make mistakes in reporting the balance of my gift card. So you need to be a professional. Like, this is not because it's a side hustle for you, it's not because it's a side business that you do not need to be professional. You need to be a professional. Whatever you do in life, a lot of you guys that watch this channel are still kids. I talk to you in the Discord. Never cut corners, be irreproachable, be a professional, and it's gonna pay off in the end. And that way you'll be able to trust yourself, and basically when stuff like that happens, you pretty much know that you're not going to waste time as I did. So no, there's $200 that I need to find back, $250 almost, and those $250 would have made me money. Every time I record a video, this happens. Those $250 that I did not spend lost me money, because in those 6 weeks I could have flipped that money already, right? So I need to fix this. I need to get my money back. So Race, you better have my money. I'm coming for you. I'm gonna get my money back. I don't care. All right? So I know this video was a little bit different. Check on the screen another video, new video every day at 3 p.m. if you want to learn about Amazon FBA, about online arbitrage. I'll see you in the next one.